What's cooking, foodies? Let's get ready for Halloween with these spectacular easy treats. First up, we have an adorable vanilla flavored candy corn pudding cups. These are great for kids. Next, a creepy giant spiderweb cookie. These are super easy to make and I will show you. Let's get started.
I'm using a 5-ounce box of vanilla Jell-O pudding. Mix in 3 cups milk and whisk for 2 minutes, then let sit for 5 minutes to set. This makes 6 half-cup servings, so if you need more, pick up more boxes. Place 1/4 of the pudding in a separate bowl. Add a few drops of yellow food coloring to your small bowl. To our big bowl, add a few drops of yellow and red food coloring to make orange. Now it's time to assemble our glasses. Using Cool Whip, dollop the tops, garnish with sprinkles and a candy corn. For your spiderweb cookie, take your store-bought cookie dough and slice evenly, laying out your dough in a circle and press together to form one giant cookie. Bake according to package instructions. Mine was for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 to 15 minutes. Make sure cookie is completely cooled before decorating. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe for some more tasty recipes.